Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to General or the Apps list. This is where Background App Refresh lives. You'll quickly check battery or low power mode because when it's on, refresh is off system-wide. While you're here, make a short list of must-have apps, messaging, navigation, health, so you don't miss them. Once done, proceed to the Background App Refresh screen. This is the first actionable place to toggle permissions per app. Now you choose the refresh scope, Wi-Fi only or Wi-Fi and mobile data, depending on data constraints. You'll then toggle each app you listed, enabling the ones that need live updates and leaving heavy battery users off. Make sure to prioritize apps that deliver critical notifications or location-based info. Once toggled, close Settings and let the system run for a session. App behavior adjusts after a short period, and you can refine which apps stay on based on battery impact. To finalize, restart your device so new refresh settings propagate reliably. This clears transient issues. Then verify each app, open it, trigger background tasks, and confirm updates arrive. If an app still fails, check its in-app sync settings and permissions. Some require explicit background refresh consent. As a troubleshooting tip, reset network settings or update the app if problems persist. These steps often resolve conflicts between system refresh and app-level controls.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.